Good morning, everybody. It's time for phonics again, a little bit of a different time this morning. So hello if you're watching at home and hello if you're in school. Today, we're going to look at another sound that we learned a long time ago in reception. So what does this sound normally say? Ah. So in reception, you learnt it to say ah, but sometimes you're right. Somebody in my group said sometimes it says oh, like oh, like the goat when it bumps into the oak tree. Sometimes it does say oh. So, and that is the name of this letter. It is an O, and sometimes makes an O sound and sometimes makes an O sound. Now, I say that a little bit differently from you, but your grown-ups in your classrooms or at home with you will speak to you how you normally say it, because I don't come from Leeds. So you say, yeah, go on then, say it loud for me, my gang. Oh, yes, there we go. But I say O, but you say it a little bit different. So you say it how it makes sense to you. Oh. Or something like that. Okay, let's do a little bit of sounding out. I've got quite a few words to sound out today. So remember that letter O is going to make the O sound in all of these words. So here we go. Are we ready? O. Sloth. A sloth lives in South America. A sloth is a kind of animal that's very sleepy. This one? Yo-oh. Yo-yo. I had a yo-yo. Okay. Hang on a minute. Here we go. G-O-L-D-E-N. Golden. Mrs. Hudson has got golden hair. Golden. This one should be easy. You learnt this one in reception. Yeah. Go. So you learnt lots of words. Go and no and so. You learnt in reception. But now you know you can sound them out. Now you've learnt that sometimes this letter says O. So go. Okay. Oh, here we have a little alien word. Let's sound it out. U-A-E-O. Flappio, well done. Excellent sounding out. Flappio. Okay, this one. T-O-L-D. Told. I told you a fabulous story. Told. This one. Oh, hang on a minute. Let's have our sound buttons. Okay, R-A-D-E-O. Radio. Yes, so let's go back then. So we know that this letter sometimes says A and sometimes says A. So let's go back. R-A-D-E-O. Radio. I'm just waiting for my class to be doing the right thing. Sit down, please. Goodness me. And our last word. Post. Post. I am going to post a letter to Paddington. Post. Okay, I would like you to get your home learning book and a pencil or your whiteboard and a pen, and I would like you to write me the word hold. 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 Are we ready? Hold. Brilliant. Next word, sloth. You've just seen it written down if you were paying attention. Sloth. Sloth. I saw a sloth sleeping in a tree. Sloth. How are we doing? Don't forget your sound buttons so that I know you know where your sounds are. Don't forget to put your sound buttons on if you're at home or in one of the other bubbles. And our next word is piano. Mrs. Siney played the piano in assembly. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. Piano. How are we doing? Have we done piano? Piano. Remember the O sounds that we're using today is this one, not the O and the A together. Okay. Piano. And our last word, our two-syllable word is clothing, clothing. You need to wear warm clothing in the winter. Clothing, clothing, clothing. Clothing. Okay, so let's have a look at those words. Are you ready? Check out those sound buttons and check they are all in the right place. So here we go. Old. Will you hold my hand when we cross the road, please? Hold. Hold. I know you say it a little bit differently, but your grown-ups will say that for you. Hold. And here is our word, our rainforest animal, sloth. Sloth. The sloth has very long claws to grip onto the branches. Sloth, sloth. Make sure you have those sound buttons in the correct place. Our next word was piano. P-I-A-N-O. Piano, piano, piano. Okay, make sure your sound buttons are in the correct place. If they're not, just fix it so it looks like mine. Piano, P-I-A-N-O, piano. And our last word, our two-syllable word, K-O-V-I-N, clothing, clothing. Make sure that your sound buttons are in all the correct places and you fix any phonemes that are incorrect. Okay, good work, chaps. Okay, now I'm going to, Miss Wilkinson has very kindly brought me the right glasses that I need to be able to see. So I'm just going to put them on because I left them in the car. Okay. We are now going to read our long sentence. So let's have a look. Here we go. Let me just get out my, my pen to see which words that we cannot sound out. Let me have a look. Oh, now we are in year one, we can sound out all of these words. So let's have a look then. So help me read this sentence, please. She told, she told me she has a ot. And in that word, look, one of the O's says O and the other one says ot. So we have to be careful and try them on for size, see what makes sense. So she told me she has a robot and a yo-yo. So we're looking in her toy box. She told me she has a robot and a yo-yo. She told me, have a look at this sentence. She told me she has a robot and a yo-yo. Your turn, read it for me, please. Me. A robot and a yo-yo. Okay, now some people read in my group, she told me she had a robot. Is that what it says? Have a look carefully. You need to read the words that are actually on the page. She told me she has a robot and a yo-yo. So you must look carefully and read what is actually on the page, not what you think is there. She told me she has a robot and a yo-yo. So we've got our O sound here, our O sound here, and our O sound in yo-yo. Okay, over to you. Your turn to write your sentences now. So here is the sentence that I want you to write. Listen first and then repeat it. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. Okay, I'll say it one more time and then you can repeat it. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. That's the post box when lots of people from Leeds won gold medals at the last Olympic Games. So there's one for Nicola Roberts, I've forgotten her name now. It'll come to me in a minute. The boxer that won the gold medal, she has a golden post box in Leeds. So I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. You say it. See the golden post box in Leeds. Well done. Adams, Nicola Adams, there we go. So I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. Go, write the sentence. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. Keep saying it to yourself so you don't miss any words out. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. And Miss Fother's top tip today is there is a word that is a proper noun in there, so make sure it has a capital letter, please. Because we've been doing quite a lot about proper nouns, haven't we? So you should know which one needs a capital letter. I'm just going to turn around and see how my children are doing now. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. You've missed some sounds out. I will go and now I'm going to have to put my other glasses back on now because I can't see over there. Let me have a look. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. I will go and see the golden. Okay, it is a golden post box, for those of you who need to know that. It is a post box, not a boast box. That's something entirely different. So I will go and see the golden, golden post box in Leeds. Excuse me, we're in the middle of our phonics lesson and it's being recorded for the other children. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. Are we nearly there? Put your thumbs up if you have done yours. Have you spotted which word needs a capital letter because it's a proper noun? Okay, my children think that Leeds needs a capital L because it is a proper noun. Well done. Miss Hussein's group knew that as well. Miss Hussein has given me the thumbs up. Okay, so let me see. I can't work it out today. Right, here we go then. So this is what you should have written on your paper in your home learning book or on your whiteboard. I will go and see the golden. It's not golden, it's golden. I will go and see the golden post box in, and here is our proper noun, Leeds. So let me hold that nearer the screen. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. Look really carefully and check you haven't missed out any letters or any sounds. I have seen some people in my group write an instead of and. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. Leeds has got a D in it. It's not Leeds, it's Leeds. Leeds. I will go and see the golden post box in Leeds. I think there's 2 golden post boxes in Horsforth for the Brownlee brothers as well, I seem to remember. Okay. How did we do with that? I'm hoping we did quite well with that. It wasn't too tricky today. you should have been able to write most of those words. I'm really pleased if you remembered the capital letter for the proper noun, the name of a place, and I will be really happy if you got your sound buttons in the correct place. So, well done, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye.